Hey guys, we're back at MK Garage. It's been about a week. We want to check in with Mikey, see how progress is going on the 59 El Camino.
Make me look weak.
Yeah, right. It's probably 80 pounds right there,
It's
dude.
easy 80 pounds.
Yeah. So this looks cool. Yeah, so like these support up and then the tray unbolts, and like there's probably like a stage for the tray that sits down on it.
So here we are, front end's busted down. Got it all cleaned up and prepped, ready for reinforcement. We're gonna put a chest plate, skid plate right here, so when he does lay it on the ground, it won't actually tear up the front end. It is nice underneath here, so we want to kind of keep it that way. Got to switch out the spindles and stuff like that because it had lowering spindles on it, and put all chrome suspension. And then we move to the back. We got the rear end out. We got it all cleaned up, ready for reinforcement. And then we got the battery rack going in already. So we'll let the lift down and show you what the battery rack, how the battery rack's going. We're running a 2-pump, 8 battery setup. This is the battery rack base. Everything, back in the days, they didn't put the battery racks on a base. They actually put the battery rack on the floor. But even before they had a battery rack, they had milk crates. Can't do that to this kind of car, especially nowadays. So went here with 1.5" angle, 3/16, and same thing here for the drop downs to the frame. Everything's welded to the frame, so it'll be nice and sturdy, and it'll outlast the car. So the pumps are going to be right here when we, of course, finish it up.
Yeah, that's what you're saying. The
Yeah.
pumps will actually be mounted this same mount.
Yeah, on this mount. Do you want to powder coat this?
Powder coat.
We normally, with a regular customer, they'll get a spray can. You get what I'm saying? They'll get spray can paint. But we have the option of still powder coating. Everything's tacked in place. All we do is pick it up, take it to the powder coater, get it powder coated, bring it in, put it back down, and just touch up wherever the welds are at. You get what I'm saying?
Because these are gonna get welded to the frame.
Those get welded to the frame, yeah.
Yeah. So what if you made this a bolt-on? Maybe do 2, right? Mm-hmm. And then that way it bolts in here. You powder coat all of this, and then we'll just rattle can this satin black,
We could do that.
right?
Yeah.
And because what color is the frame right now?
The frame's like a glossy
gloss black?
satin black type
Yeah.
deal.
So like maybe we'll just rattle can this like a semi-gloss
Yeah.
black,
That's fine.
right?
Yeah, maybe.
And then if this is a bolt-on, then this whole thing can come out, right? Then powder coat this, make this nice.
Yeah.
Right? And then the batteries would sit because there's gonna be some sort of floor.
Yeah, the battery sit on here. This is the floor.
Oh, this is here?
This is the floor, yeah.
Okay,
This
gotcha.
is the base that holds the racks from going.
Got it. Yeah, so what I think maybe let's powder coat just the top.
Yeah, if you can. If you go,
Yeah, we can drill through it right here.
Drill through and then drill through,
Yeah.
right? So like 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like,
enough.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that's plenty.
Okay.
Yeah, that way, I agree with that.
Those are all the bearings, the kit for it.
Brake lines.
Those are the rotors.
And that's what he said.
I have spindles,
Okay.
so we just gotta get them powder coated to match
The rest.
everything else on the car. Yeah. So I have spindles.
We'll just send it out with that.
Deal with that.
Yeah.
In the hydraulic world, even in the hot rod world, you get to cut and move out the way to make anything fit.
Yeah. What did you end up doing?
We gotta cut
We had to
for gas,
cut the
gas
corner
line. It has a big coffee can thing that's like this big.
around the tiny
Yeah,
fill
for
gap.
a little thing that's like this.
Oh, God.
So it was in the way. In order for us to put the batteries, the 8 across
far
the back.
back, yeah.
That's how we had to do it. This we get the plate. We cut it with our plasma machine. Cut it.
Yeah.
And just put it on and just weld the edges.
So it's you're basically just facing it, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
that's all.
Right on. And then
And it
it
helps
just
strengthen it up a little bit.
Okay.
3/16, yeah.
3/16.
And the other thing we got to do is make mimic this bracket on this side. It's not gonna
Oh,
look
yeah,
exactly
for the
like it,
Y.
but it's gonna come right here, the same thing.
Oh, that's right.
To
Because
run
you're
the-
doing
because for the Y.
the Y bone.
Yeah.
Right.
Wishbone, Y bone.
So you have a bracket that bolts right here?
No, we make it.
You make it.
Yeah.
Does it get welded?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Do you want to reinforce from here to here?
I can. Yeah.
Because like,
I could actually put a piece of channel in there and it'll help it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking because with all of that
Yeah.
doing this, right? And then, I mean, I'm sure you're going to weld this whole thing right here. That's probably where you're going to reinforce
Yes,
it.
yes. And this helps it right here. This is already a brace. But yeah, I could
Is
put
that
a
solid? I can't tell.
could-
Oh, yeah,
no,
it is.
it's no, I want to say solid, but it's
Okay.
yeah. But we could put a piece of channel in here, the opposite way, so it caps this way, and then stitch it on the bottom and the top, and then it'll help reinforce.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So it'll actually make it that much stronger instead of just putting a flat piece of plate. You actually put it.
You put it
Some
channel
channel
like
in there.
this. Okay. What is that?
This is steel.
Just
Oh,
It's
just
just
straight
steel.
up steel. Okay.
You can do titanium, which is gonna be wider and burn longer,
Yeah.
but it's more expensive.
Okay.
This, I mean, it's scrap. You get what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
it's
yeah.
drilled. It's easier to drill through the titanium. You got to go to a machine shop to drill it.
Yeah.
This you drill it, put a bolt
So
through
you
it.
just literally, what if you, could you just bolt it to the frame or no?
No, you
No.
actually want a bar because if not,
No.
it'll rip. The bar is to keep everything even when you're actually dropping it down in the lane.
Gotcha. So channel and then something.
Channel,
Channel here too.
But reverse,
Okay.
reverse it.
Yeah,
so it
reverse
lays
so the
flat.
channel sits inside, and
Yeah.
then right here, what do you do?
Yeah, same thing. The channel, but so the backwards this way. Channel.
Oh, so channel this
Yes.
way.
So it's basically building
Okay.
a triangle and
Yes.
your piece is in the middle of there.
Dope. Dude, that's gonna be bad.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
So then here, and then it just in here.
Mhm.
Is that what you're
Just a
thinking?
corner type deal.
Okay.
And then gusset it off so it's strong.
Cool.
I might even have them take this off and plate from here to here, so it makes it that much stronger connecting to everything else.
Yeah.
Now that we're talking about
Yeah. Hitting.
dropping this thing on the floor,
Yeah.
so that'd be
Well,
good.
I think
while
the
this-
channel going in here is
Yeah,
gonna
well,
help with that too,
Mhm.
right?
It's
Yeah.
gonna tie it all together.
Yeah.
I think this in itself structurally makes the
Mhm.
back of the car way stronger.
Yeah, it's the same thing. You're pretty much putting this upside down underneath to hold
Yeah.
titanium,
Yeah.
So we're
just
tying
not
this-
as big.
Right. Yeah, you're basically tying left to right with the battery tray,
Yeah. And
So
now
it's
you're
almost
tying
like-
this in here though. and
Yep.
Triangling.
and triangulating here.
Yeah.
I like it. It's gonna be
I
rad.
think, yeah. That's the thing. I want to make it where I could actually enjoy it. I'm not so scared that I
Yeah,
can't
it's like,
use it.
oh, I broke something.
I think this is more important to me than three-wheeling is for the show.
Yeah, the
If I
screen
could, if I could know I could raise the front up and just drop the back and then we shoot sparks for a little bit,
Yeah.
would be
And structurally, when you do three wheel, this
This-
just
yeah.
Just
helps.
tie it in. Yeah.
Right, this just helps. So that's awesome. So we got the update from Mikey at MK Garage. Basically everything's torn down. We've gone over some designs that we're gonna actually add to the car, so we're super excited. But sounding like it's probably gonna only be about another week or two before this car is done. We're super excited to get back out here and do some low riding, guys. We'll see you soon.